Just look our chicken, mutton. Welcome to Rajkakitchenapka chicken, and today we are making steak. Thank you for watching our videos. We're making special recipes for you. Look, today we are making mutton steak with Gordon Ramsay style, and my dad is fan of Gordon Ramsay style. And Sanjeev Kapoor. Let's start our recipe: mutton steak and French fries. So our water is boiling for French fries, and we will use yogurt to make chili sauce. And our water is boiling, and we will put French fries on our boiling water. And we will put salt in it to make delicious and crispy French fries. While our French fries are boiling, we will make our mutton steak. Blue color. Fresh mutton piece. It has little bone, and it will give us the real bone marrow flavor. Let us prepare to make it. And we will smash it like this. We will smash it for both sides. And we will prick it like this. And we will put some salt on our mutton steak. And we will put some salt on our mutton steak and some black pepper. And we will cut some lemon to put on, and we will nicely and gently we will rub it. Both the side we will gently rub it on the both side of our mutton. Now our mutton steak is ready to cook. So we will put the pan and we will put in a flame, and we will put some oil. And we will put our mutton steak. Wow, this is looking so good. I can smell right now, guys. I'm smelling the taste right now. Aha. Yum, yum. Wow. Mutton steak is boiling. We will put our French fries. Ooh, they are boiled, so we will put in a pot. Our mutton steak and French fries are ready, so we will take some chili to make our chili sauce. So we will flame it to give us some smoky. Like my birthday is going on here. So our chili is ready.
We will put.
So our chili is ready, and we will put some yogurt in it. We will put some salt to taste nice. So our French fries is ready, and we will take it out. Yummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. It is looking so good. We'll put our French fries in the freezer to get cold. And I'm making chili sauce. I'm making chili sauce, but I'm putting in the right side. This is right way. Sounds so satisfying. And we will take it out and give it to Daddy. Oh, after can you open this?
Yes, I can open for you.
Put it in the cup. bowl. Look guys, this natural color is so good. My daddy will taste the chili sauce because I don't eat chili.
That's really hot, huh? देखो बहुत तीखा है.
I don't like red chili because it's really hot like this. This chili is really hot. So let us look our mutton steak. Oh, I hear some. This is so yummy. Guys, smell it. It's smelling so yummy. Yummy in my tummy. Yummy in my tummy. I love this song when the yummy thing go in my mouth. This was a big piece and it become very small piece. Look how small is this.
ये बोल.
Before we serve it, let's make our french fries more crispy. Don't miss our upcoming video we will make for you, and don't miss our upcoming video we are making for you, Mutton Continental. Let us cook our french fries. Let's put some oil. Oh no! Our oil is finished. What do we do now? What do we do, Daddy? Our video is no longer. Our oil is finished. Oh my gosh.
I have baby.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Daddy, scissor is not working. What do we do now? Our friend is waiting.
We'll try, baby. Don't worry. Wow.
Oh, this is opened. Now we have oil. Now our friends not to be waiting. While my daddy is frying, I will go out from here because this is very dangerous. Now our french fries are and mutton steak is also ready. Let's serve it. These french fries are so crispy. These french fries are like KFC and McDonald's because these two shops are my favorite shops. Wow, our mutton steak is also ready. It looks so oily. One steak and another steak. Look at these steaks.
Wow.
And look our french fries rangoli. And we will put our chili sauce
That is too soft.
little bit. Daddy, it's too hot. I'm not gonna eat it
Why, my baby?
because it's too hot. It has red chili. Look, guys, it has small red chilies. Ooh, mayonnaise. And I will eat this whole bunch of steak. I will eat this whole steak. Okay, I will taste
it.
Let us taste it with this. I love this one. So eat it.
Wow.
Wow!
Really, एकदम लाजवाब. जैसे KFC में मिलता है ना और जैसे मैकडोनल्ड मिलते हैं ना फ्रेंच फ्राइज. एक बार जो खाता रह जाए.
Guys, I'm tasting this.
बनाइए, कोशिश करिए. बहुत आसान है. आलू उबालने हैं नमक में, थोड़ा ठंडा करके फ्राई करने हैं. फ्रेंच फ्राइज तैयार.
बाप रे. Oh, look, guys, I'm eating
Wow.
this smallest.
अभी हम इसको देखते हैं.
Look, guys, I'm eating this little.
Oh, this one. Hold this. आई.
Guys, I'm gonna eat this steak.
Really? Wow.
This steak is good for our teeth.
Really?
Very tasty and juicy. Eat this.
एकदम बिल्कुल एकदम. दोस्तों एकदम बिल्कुल करारा एकदम ऐसा बनाना.
Yummy.
लग रहा है मुंह में पानी तो आ ही जाएगा जो एक बात है. ना इतना सॉफ्ट हो रहा है. चटनी और थोड़ा दही में हमने लाल मिर्च आग में गर्म करके डाल दी. बन गई एकदम
चटनी.
चटपटी चटनी.
I love
hold this.
French fries.
रुक जा। Let it taste.
इनको इसको अब सबको हटाओ ना, अब मैं ही आऊंगी अकेले।
Okay.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please click on the lion to see our brand new videos and some recipes. And if you like our videos, please share it to WhatsApp, Instagram and your friends. Facebook. Bye.
हो गया।
कौन से कोई तो हटाओ। हाँ, मैं चिकन खा रहा हूँ।